then you need to cancel this salary payable, right? So what will be the entry? Decrease in liability will be debited. Salaries payable 2.2 million, and decrease in asset would be credited. Cash.
Yeah.
Right? But that would be in 2013.
13.
But we are asked what will be reported on income statement and balance sheet. So how much is paid in 2013? How much is the expense? Because income statement record expense and revenue, right? What is the expense belonging to that period? So in 2012, this was 42.4 million was the expense, right? And this 2.2 million was the expense. So in income statement, the salary expense, if you see from this entries, expense, salaries expense for 42.4 and 2.2. It would be 44.6 million, right? That is expense.
Okay, yeah.
Why salary expense? Because income statement belongs to, for the income statement record revenues and expense, not the liability. Liability will be recorded in balance sheet.
Balance sheet, yeah.
And in balance sheet, what will be recorded? Liability,
Yes.
right?
The liability, yeah.
It will be salaries payable, which is 2.2 million. Understand?
Understand, yeah.
Make sense?
Yes.
Okay, any other question?
Not for me. I understand now.
Yeah, Veena, any other question?
No, sir. Thank you.
May?
No, sir.
Okay, up to you guys. If you want to ask something, do ask. Okay, so let's talk about the midterm. Okay, so I'm trying to hold a midterm after the next lectures. Okay.
Okay, yeah, so that was the 16th, right? Or what date was that now?
Date here. Yeah. So on 16, by the time I would be uploading my next lecture series, along with the assignment, you would be done with your assignments. This was the assignment 3, and now assignment 4 going to be uploaded over there. I'm in the middle of recording. I think tonight or maybe tomorrow I will be finished with uploading over YouTube. So you still have more time. So what I'm planning, I am planning to include true false and multiple choice questions. So those who are already instructed by me in other subjects, they know my pattern. I would include true false, multiple choice question, and some numerical, right? So
yes,
you will
okay.
either, and there's going to be a mixture of true false and MCQs. Okay, so
Right.
I'm going to be making part, that is part 1, and that is part 2. So first I'm going to upload, but I'm going to upload 2 parts on a WeChat group. I'm going to give you, and you are required to first complete part 1 in 40 minutes or maybe 50 minutes. I still did not finish or finalize the paper, but if it's 40 minutes, then you are required to send me on my email or on my WeChat ID your part 1. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
So I would be very strict in this time limit of 40 minutes or 50 minutes whatsoever at that time what was the part 1. Okay, so you guys have to understand that why I'm so strict in this part 1 matter, because we have decided with the faculty member to minimize the opportunity of cheating of this window of opportunity of cheating. So that's why I will be, respecting that time period as well. For example, maybe you have some issues for sending me back, or maybe you have some kind of problem with attaching file. So I'm going to give you 10 more minutes. I will be including that 10 minutes as well. So
Okay.
I'm going to give you a blank Word document in which you just need to write it down. For example, it was like that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to write down, for example, this is true, this is false, this is true, this is false. You need to write down true, false, either from your computer, either you take a picture and send it to me. I'm open with that as well. I don't have any. So I'm going to send you a blank page in which the answer sheet going to be there. True, false, you write it down, true, false, and true, false in the box, or MCQs, true, false as well. So don't worry about that. We are going to have another Zoom session for our next lecture. So we will discuss over there this extensively as well. If you don't understand all these, then don't worry about that. I will be discussing it one more time in our next Zoom meeting. Okay? And then part is going to be like, for example, 1 hour or 2 hour, in which like our assignment. Okay? You just take a picture, make a PDF file or make a Word file and send it back to me in the time period. I will give you, for example, here, it's going to be like 2 hours. So after 2 hours, you need to send back to me, or you can send earlier. Are we clear?
Yes, for the numerical part, like part 2, would that be several questions like the homework, or like one big one, or?
It's going to be like many questions, not one big question. It's going to be like assignment time question. You're going to do it in one question takes like 30 minutes or 15 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Any other question?
What time the exam is gonna be?
Tiawina, I didn't get your voice.
Like, what time is it gonna be for the midterm?
That we will be discussed in our next Zoom meeting, most probably from 6 Shanghai time to onward.
Okay.
Like 6 p.m.?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I need to also need to get the feedback from others as well, that what time is suitable. But for many of my previous experience, this time slot is very good for the students. Most of them are already awake, either like morning time, or it's like before 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock. So it's suitable time. Any more question?
Okay.
No, sir. It's all clear.
All clear. I hope I am recording. If I'm recording, I will also send you the link of this recording to the group as well.
Yes, it says you're recording, so I think it's working.
Okay. Take care.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.